Once we add the order repository, you can see here we are not just using the application DbContext, we rather expect DbContext options in the dependency injection. So if we expect something, we must register that in the startup file of the orders API. So we'll scroll down here and let's first add the scoped reference for the repository. So we have the iOrder repository. We'll do control dot for the using statement, and we have order repository. Now next thing here is to configure option builder. So we'll say variable option builder is equal to new DbContext options. This will be on the application DbContext. Then on that options builder, we have to configure the use SQL Server, and here we need to pass the connection string. So we will copy the connection string as is, and we will paste that in here. Let me format this. It should be the same, use SQL Server. And here we get an error because this will not be the DbContext options. It will be the DbContext options builder. Perfect. On there we configure the SQL Server, and then we need a singleton for the order repository. So we'll say services.add singleton, and we'll pass here a new order repository with the custom option builder dot options. That will make sure that the order repository uses the singleton DbContext. Now right now whatever we have done, if we were using the scoped, it will be fine. But what we will be doing from the next video, it will require a singleton. That's why I have configured it like this. So with that, we will be starting with the main logic of consuming the service bus from the next video.